Relax. What are you worried about? GameStop is down 4%. People are freaking out, trading at $26.84. This is tracking exactly to what we had drawn out. We knew this was coming. We anticipated it. Take a look at what is overlaid. Just relax, guys. Absolutely calm down. GameStop is supposed to have a move up in waves as we speak. As long as GameStop holds between $27 and $26, we're still going to make these waves higher and higher. This is just wave 1 out of what is likely to be 3. And we are still very much so making higher highs and higher lows. Now, before we get into today's video, make sure to like the video, share this when you're done, and subscribe to the channel and have post notifications on. GameStop has also been trading outside of the Bollinger Bands for about 2 entire days, nearly 3 days, meaning you were likely to see a push into it. In fact, this is showing severe strength, much more strength than other moves. This move back here, for example, before the major run, we saw GameStop only test the top of the Bollinger Bands and get pushed under, along with the move prior to that. The moves we're seeing now, testing the breakout of the Bollinger Bands, which you saw back here, are showing an extreme strength pattern, almost acting as a spring to the upside. If the flash down is very quickly, you could see a bounce at $25.50, but we don't want to see GameStop close under $26 to end the week, and that's basically what we're watching. Also, the RSI is basically near the mid-range, so we do have a lot of room to go on the RSI on the daily time frame for GameStop, but Bollinger Bands have to cool down. Other things have to play out. Now, somebody dropped some Reddit DD called The Big Picture for GameStop. It covers swap data, FTD data, and essentially comes out with a too long didn't read that GameStop will have a big run July 19th to July 23rd, then a big drop July 24th to August 1st, followed by the mother of all short squeezes beginning August 6th. Now, this is just a tinfoil hat theory. This is a too long didn't read. This is a hopium post, a trust me bro post. But again, if we didn't have these type of posts, what are we waiting for, right? These are exactly the posts that refresh my position strength to hold, so on and so forth. Let me know your thoughts about that Reddit DD, and if you have read through it thoroughly, that is for an entire other video, but we got to cover some charts. Jumping into AMC's chart, we're down 3.41%, and don't worry, we have more GameStop stuff to talk about, talking about a tweet from Ryan Cohen himself. AMC, do not freak out. We want to hold above 515 on the week. So today and tomorrow, now we are getting close to that level. We're trading at 524. We want to see AMC close the week above 515. That is what we're watching. However, AMC is showing more strength than anticipated. The reason I say that is you take a look at the low in this cycle. After this played out, this is where we were. Then you got this scale higher. Keep in mind of two things. AMC scaled higher here, right? Make this yellow so you guys can see it a little better, than it did here. It also corrected lower right here than it did up here. And then it got this top, right? Got this top right here, got this top right here. And instead of selling off hard and then making a U-shaped recovery for the 9 days, AMC actually just, realistically just stayed flat here. And now we're at that 9-day, 6-hour level. What am I trying to get at? AMC could just be seeing a flush down that is going to lead to a very quick recovery. This level was supposed to bring AMC down to $4.60, and we have still held well above $5 over the past couple of weeks. Overall, still T-7 trading days before I see a parabolic move on AMC as well as GameStop. Ryan Cohen tweeted Trump back to back exactly 665 times. He also tweeted the tweet before this, Trump one time with the American flag. If you have some sort of decoding that you want to drop in the comments down below, I have seen several different theories, none of them being extremely solid. One thing that I have pulled from myself out of this that is very, very simple is DJT stock, right? Newsflash. DJT stock also trades almost in tandem with GameStop, and you can see that with the chart right here. Ryan Cohen supporting Trump, DJT stock, keep it on your radar. It's really that simple. GameStop, AMC, Chewy, BlackBerry, Nokia, all these stocks, just watch them. Now, Ken Griffin of Citadel has bought a complete Stegosaurus skeleton for $44.6 million. Just figured I'd bring that up in the video. Not sure why he did this. Maybe he's just flexing on retail. Chewy, keep an eye on this. up 0.3%, trading at $26.90. Still holding above $25.15. I like it for a potential move up to $31.30. And I also think it's going to move as soon as Roaring Kitty comes back out. Now, whatever is coming, it involves Bank of New York Mellon. Effective with the opening of business July 19th, 2024, Bank of NY Mellon account number 0901 will change the name of the following accounts. Not sure what exactly is happening, but you can see that BNY Mellon recently reported an absurd amount of securities sold, not yet purchased. And there has been other sort of controversial things happening with BNY Mellon as well. And boom, we had this trade called out in Discord, an easy 50+% scalp overnight on Nvidia. Nvidia came all the way down, sub 118. We jumped in calls, closed them out in the morning. Very simple. Nvidia continuing to get sell pressure, attempting to break this level. If we break under and close under, expecting a move down to 111. However, if the week closes above 118 on Friday, I think Nvidia has a nice pop to the upside, coming all the way nearing 135 once again for a retest next week. If you made money on Nvidia, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want to know my trades as soon as I take them, join the Discord. It's the third link under the video. We have options trading alerts in there. We talk stocks and crypto all day long. I post my trades as soon as I take them. It's a coffee a month, very cheap Discord, especially for the value. Come level yourself up, guys. It's basically a big group chat. We're all trying to become financially free together. And yeah, the third link under the video. Okay, SPY down 0.5%, trading at 554.18. Simple. SPY is testing the mid range of the channel. It could break below and come all the way down just under 550, at which 550, if it gets to 550, I will be entering calls on the S&P 500. I see this correction being over right around 550 if we want to come down to there. That will also bring the RSI right about down to the 50 as well. Overall, SPY could bounce here. Anywhere in this range I see a bounce, but testing the bottom of the range, I would be confident in entering calls with a stop loss somewhere. Also just in, Biden has tested positive for COVID-19, even though he's got all the vaccines, right? Bitcoin trading just under 64,000. Closed the week above 63. That's really all I care about on Bitcoin. So we're going to watch that for today, tomorrow, and the weekend. Finally, speaking of crypto, Trump says he doesn't want to let China or any other country take over Bitcoin and crypto industries. So once Trump is elected, if Trump is elected, then Bitcoin should do extremely well. Crypto should do extremely well. Now, I want to talk about two more stocks really quick, but before I do so, guys, check the second link under the video. It's for a free broker. It's for Moomoo. Once you open an account through my link and make a deposit into there, you're going to earn up to 15 free stocks, as well as earn 8.1% APY on your uninvested cash. So make sure to go do that. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, so you can see where people are loading up and dropping off shares of any given stock. They're also giving you access to trading options, going long and shorting as a retail trader. Again, use the link, open an account, and make a deposit. Okay, Tesla. 253.44, up 1.95% on the day. Even though you're seeing a bloodbath across the board, Tesla is holding up. If Tesla closes above 254, I will be bullish on Tesla to potentially retest 265. Overall, we have earnings next week, and it's going to be a dangerous game to be playing Tesla going into earnings. We want to see how the stock reacts around this time frame. I think people are very, very skeptical as to what is about to happen. Tesla is flagging out here. And overall, we're trading in this channel, and we want to see where we're going to close. If we close under 246, Tesla is bearish. If we close above 254, Tesla is bullish. Lastly, Palantir up 1.59% on the day, trading at $28.67. Almost came to the top of this range, but just could not make it. Was up about 6% on the day. Palantir is just something that I want to bring up because it is at one of the most crucial levels that I have seen a stock trade at with this much strength. Look how much strength Palantir is getting coming into this range. When stocks get to this range after being oversold, they typically come down very, very hard and for very, very long. But if Palantir can hold above inside of a new trading range and Palantir closes above $29.50, this is going to be a historical move for Palantir. In my opinion, that will be extremely bullish. Overall, guys, that is what I got for you for today's video. Again, make sure to have post notifications on. Check the second link and the third link for Moomoo and Discord, and of course the very top link for my custom indicator that you can add to your TradingView charts to help you on your trading journey. It is pattern detection and forecasting. It automatically generates patterns that show up in the charts, gives you price targets, and then forecasts what the stock might do. That is it, guys. Love you all. Lottery Stocks out.